So I have this hack how to tame flyaway hair. So I just basically use holding spray and I just glide down my hair. So always make sure after doing this you do not comb that hair anymore. So here is how this hair came out perfectly. If I told you I use a mini straightener to straighten his hair, are you going to believe it? Stay with me. Let me show you how to use your mini straightener to still get the perfect look wig. Hey besties, for behind the scenes and fun extra tips, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. And while you're here, besties, make sure you like, you subscribe, and turn on notification because I post amazing content. Hey besties, welcome back. So yes, so here's what this week came in looking like. So I actually did revamp this hair before I began this process. So here's the before of the week, and now let's get started. So first things first, we're going to obviously slick back our hair, and I'm just going to make a C-part because I don't need anything dramatic. So yeah. So I use my hair wax and my holding and my heat protectant and my hot comb to just slick it back and create the perfect C-part. So in this video, I was just basically trying to show you that no matter the size of your hot comb or your straightener, you can still achieve sleek looks. So I was using this mini straightener that I got, right, and it's kind of like a portable straightener that I travel with. And someone was like, but can it even straighten hair? So I just wanted to show you how good this straightener can straighten your hair if you know exactly what you're doing. So even though this video is speed up, you can see throughout the video that I'm using this mini portable straightener, right? So yeah, so I use this straightener to straighten the whole hair, and obviously it was looking perfect. So after straightening the hair, here's what it's looking like. But we all know after 1 or 2 wears, or maybe the quality of the wig, you're always going to have split ends, right? And when you straighten your hair, it's always a tassel keeping the split ends to lay down flat. So yeah. So I have this tip where I just always use my holding spray and to like tame that flyaways and maybe these split ends, right? So I apply my holding spray to my hand and I just rub and then I glide down the wig. That's all. And look at how this simple hack elevated this wig from 0 to 100. Look at how perfect it's looking. The front is looking perfectly sleek. The wig is looking perfectly fine. And yeah, I think this was it. So this is just to answer my friend. Yes, that mini straightener can definitely straighten your wig. And if you need this straightener, don't hesitate to let me know. I sell it at affordable prices. You can use it to travel. It's really affordable and convenient to travel with, and of course it's going to give you a good result as well. So yeah, so next, so I guess this video I was just trying to show you guys tips and tricks. So right, yeah, so when styling your frontal or your closure, right, you're going to use office pins. This is to prevent rip outs. You're not going to use a T-pin or these cushion pins because they are more bulky and can prevent rip, can cause rips, especially T-pins, because your closure or your lace could just stick out through the T-pin and that's it. You're going to rip your lace out. So it's always advisable to use office pins, right? So yeah. But no one talks of the difficulties of getting these office pins out after you're done styling your wig. So to solve this simple problem, tweezers, yeah, tweezers. So you just use your tweezers and you pick out those office pins as you can see me doing. That's it. Problem solved. So yeah. So I hope this video encourage you to make sure you get my mini straightener because it's affordable and you can travel with it and you can see the results you're going to achieve with it already. So yeah, so make sure you get yours. And if this video also helps you to know how to get rid of your office pins after styling your frontal, then I definitely deserve a subscribe, right? Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any products you want me to review or test out, don't forget to let me know. My email is there, guys. You know how to find me. So yeah, so I'm done with the styling of this week, and I'm just going to transfer it to my other mannequin head. And yep, here's what it's looking like. So I'm just going to put this in a net to just keep it intact for the next wear. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So to answer your question, yes, my mini straightener can definitely give you very top results at an affordable price, and also very easy and convenient to travel with. So these are kind of things when traveling you can just put in your bag and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification because I post amazing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.